Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Hadrawi. I'm a graduate student in King's Larson Group, the Changing Places Group. My background is in computer engineering and human-computer interaction. In the group, we work on new strategies to meet the profound challenges of the future. We also creating the places where people live and work. And finally, we connect these places by building better mobility systems. And this is the vision of our group. In the group, we have four main areas of research: mobility on demand, that's working on mobility systems and the vehicle itself. The other area is the places of living and work, where we build homes and movable furniture. The third one is computational urbanism, and we're rebuilding decision support systems and tangible interactive simulation. And finally, building integrated agriculture. And here we look into aeroponic and hydroponic system to grow vegetables and fruit. So please join me later if you want to hear more about all these areas of research. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm a second year master's student in the Lifelong Kindergarten group led by Professor Mitchell Resnick. We call our group Lifelong Kindergarten Group as we are very inspired from the way people learn in kindergarten, where children are actively engaged in designing and creating things in collaboration with one another. They are creating things they care about, they're very passionate about. So in our group, we focus on creating technologies and experiences that allow learners of all ages to engage in such creative process. In my breakout room, I will share about our group philosophy and also talk about some of the group projects that include Scratch, a graphical programming interface and a community that lets you create your own interactive animations, stories, and games. The Unhangout platform that you're using right now for this session is one of the group projects. I will share about my own project that is looking at using electronics and computational tools as a medium to create and express personal narratives. I will also share about what inspired these ideas and projects. So if you're interested to know more about our group, join me in my breakout room. See you there.
Hi there, I'm Will Patrick. I am a second year master's student in the Mediated Matter group at the MIT Media Lab. The Mediated Matter group focuses on bio-inspired fabrication, and what that means is either using biological materials in a 3D printer or a robotic fabrication system, or, and this is more what we're trying to do in the future, is designing organisms themselves that are then embedded in materials to provide interesting functions and or fabrication capabilities. So our end goal is trying to fabricate products and architecture that more resembles biological systems. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Lisa Nip. My background is in biochemistry, and I'm a second year student in the Molecular Machines group led by Professor Joseph Jacobson. Our team is developing applications in synthetic biology, as well as making modern tools for biological research. We want to bridge biology and technological principles. For example, storing information like memory in biology and using modern technology like computer vision for biological laboratory tools. I will be happy to answer any questions you might have.
Hello, my name is Ermal Dereshai. I am a student in Object-Based Media Group. Before coming to Media Lab, I was an engineer. I did research and development into new ways of interacting with computers at Intel. So what is object-based media? Well, it's very difficult to describe in just a few sentences. I would say every project in Object-Based Media Group has three underlying themes. The first is to reinvent the way that we interact with everyday objects. The second is to reinvent storytelling. And the third is to reinvent entertainment. So if you would like to know more, please join my Hangout session. And I've got a video prepared to show some examples of the different kinds of projects that we have in our group. Thanks.
Hi everyone, my name is Shalita Go. I'm in the Playful Systems group here at the lab under Kevin Slavin. And what our group does is we look at the different ways we can design systems so that they can become experiences. A few of the ways we're doing that right now is through an app called 20 Day Strangers, which strives to create empathy through anonymous connections. We're also looking at synthetic biology and how that can become a consumer product or an art installation. And we're looking at the future of board games and televised chess.
Hello, I'm Artem. I'm a second year grad student at the Media Lab. I'm in the Responsive Environment group with Professor Joe Paradisa. I have background in bioengineering and electrical engineering. For my research, I look into novel ways to interact with computers. Mostly it involves building new hardware and sensors. My group's work is related to sensors and sensor networks. We often design and build new electronics, and we look into both the input and the output of the sensors. From the input, we design new sensors and the hardware, for example, building and designing flexible and printable electronics. For the output, we look into new ways to represent the data, for example, visualizing the sensors around the Media Lab using 3D game engines. In the breakout session, I want to talk a little bit about my group research project and some of my own projects, especially ones involving wearable electronics.
Hi guys, so this is Cindy from the Speech and Mobility Group. I have a computer science background, and my research involves building new wearable technologies, combining fashion, functionality, and the ability for people to express themselves. And for the Hangout, I'll be introducing the work in the group involving the applications we build around wearable technologies, including Google Glass, Samsung Gear, and even using mobile devices, and how we enable people to work, play, and communicate with each other, and even to interact with the world around them through these new applications.
Hi, my name is Savannah Niles, and I'm in the Viral Spaces group here at the MIT Media Lab. Our group creates media technologies that evolve with user inventiveness. We imagine a future in which everyone is a broadcaster. See you at my session.